Lee, we're here at the Nuclear AMRC in Sheffield. Starrag have had a fantastic relationship with these guys for a number of years, and we're standing in front of one of the largest vertical turning lathes that exists worldwide, I understand.
So certainly in a research facility, that's our understanding, yeah.
Now, this type of machine, what does it give the capacity to the nuclear environment? Is it really the size of components or just the size of the component?
Well, sure. This machine range goes up to a 12-metre table. The machine we're looking at now is a 5-metre table, so it's a kind of mid-sized machine. But in terms of research, it gives a very large machining capacity for UK companies to come and use and develop their processes and develop into the arena of large machining.
And when you look at some of the materials that are used in the nuclear side of the power side, let's say, is it mainly hard materials or do they also use soft materials?
I'd say it was predominantly challenging materials, steel, stainless steels, nickel alloy type materials. So yeah, I would say difficult to cut materials. You could cut softer materials and you can cut non-metallics on this kind of machine as well. It does have the capability to cut these very hard materials.
Just leading on what I've just said there about nuclear power, is that all they're doing here at the AMRC?
Not really, no. I mean, Nuclear AMRC is here to support UK industry, and particularly in the Nuclear AMRC, that they've got the capability to support large component manufacture. So it's any industry, could be shipbuilding, could be nuclear energy, could be wind turbines, any large parts really.
But looking at this very large VTL from Starrag, I presume you're not making these machines just for the nuclear environment?
No, for sure. These machines have been in existence for decades, and they keep evolving. New technologies, Industry 4 technologies are coming out every year. But traditionally, these machines are a very heavy-duty cast iron structure machine. They're a hydrostatic guideway construction. There's turning capability, but there's also head changing, driven tooling, milling, drilling capability. So you can do complete components on this machine, whether they be turned, milled, drilled.
And how does it work with a nuclear AMRC? If I was, let's say, an OEM, looking to outsource certain parts, for instance, how would I engage with nuclear AMRC?
Well, you could come to us and speak to us. You could come direct to Nuclear AMRC, and when they have a project, we can support the engineers here so that they get best-in-class solutions, and that then transfers into British industry.
Now, there's a lot of news about nuclear energy over the last few months, etc. These type of machines that you're actually supplying into the industry, is this really sort of challenging the sort of next wave of nuclear power or nuclear products?
Well, I would say yes. I mean, any type of product for this size machine, whether it's nuclear or not, our job is to produce the best possible, fastest, most productive way to manufacture those components. So we've got to make the supply chain more cost effective. And I don't know anywhere else other than Nuclear AMRC where you can get access to this type of machine.